Nike SB, Parra, a match made in heaven. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Parra times Nike SB Dunk Low. So yes, Parra is back at it again with another collab with Nike. If you haven't been following my channel, which you should be doing by the way, I did a review last year for the Parra Air Max 1s. They ended up being my #1 pick of 2018, although really it should have been the Unions, but that shoe was so fire. It's one or two either way. Super duper fire shoe, collaboration with him there. He's done pairs in the past as well, and now he's back at it again with a Nike SB Low. As you also saw last year, yeah it was last year, I got a Nike SB Low, my first in a long ass time, which was the Tiffany Diamond Supply collaboration. Super duper fire. And yeah, we're back with another one, Parra SB. Let's get it. So the shoe comes in this Nike quick strike box. Got the Tiffany colors on this side, black on this side, and it says Nike SB. On the box itself, it says Nike SB Dunk Low OG quick strike, and the color is white, pink rise, and gym red. And I got these in a UK 10. With the Diamond Supply Tiffany Dunks, I ended up getting those in a 10.5. I didn't want to go half a size up, but it was the cheapest online as I copped it on the resale market, so I went for it. They actually fit a little tiny bit too big, so I'm hoping that this one, which I got in my TTS, will fit better, but I will tell you about sizing as we get further on with the video and the on foot and all that stuff. But enough waffling, let's get to the shoes. And boom, here is the sneaker in all its glory, and yes, it is fire. I know you think it's fire. And yeah, there was a friends and family pair that came out, which was a totally different colorway to this. I'll show you what that looks like right now. And what was crazy is all the apparel that came out with this sneaker, because a lot of it released today, was hats, socks, tracksuits and all that, and it all went with the friends and family pair rather than this pair. None of it was like white or blue or pink or nothing. It was all this turquoisey color, which was the color of the friends and family pair. I don't know why they did that. I was trying to get the socks, but in the end I thought to myself, I can't rock the socks with this because turquoise, there's zero turquoise in the shoe at all, so it wouldn't make sense. So I don't know what they're trying to get to with that, but it's what they did. But enough about that, let's get to the details of this shoe. So if you don't know about Parra, he is a Dutch artist. Obviously comes out with some dope designs. On the Air Max pair, he obviously went super elaborate with loads of patterns all over the shoe, whereas this one, he's gone a little bit more subtle, but still eye-catching and fire at the same time. Obviously the model is your standard Nike SB Dunk Low shape with the puffy tongue and whatnot. But the little details that have been added to the shoe to make it super special is what stands out straight away is this swoosh here, the 4-layered swoosh in the chenille material. Super duper fire. It is on here on the lateral side, and also if you swap it around to the medial side, you get it again here where it proper sticks out, gives this 3D effect. It's got the pink on the outside, then a sort of like a red color, a sort of purplish maroonish color, and then blue as well. Super duper fire. I love it. Stands out very nicely. Towards the front of the shoe here, you've got a little blue mini swoosh. Mini swooshes are just the best thing ever. I wish more shoes had it because it's such a little subtle thing, but it just looks super duper fire. Material of the shoe is done in all white leather pretty much, and to be fair, it's not too bad. It's actually pretty soft to the touch when you press it in. Nice little touch to it, and it has got like a slight tumble to it as well. So seems like quality wise they've gone pretty good with it, so very happy to see that. On the back of this pair, which is the left shoe, it's got SB there written down in some nice little squirrely font. I think this is like the Parra sort of font. It's got SB with sort of like a different color behind it, and on the other shoe it has got Parra written there in red. Super fire again. And as you can see on this other pair here, it does actually come with some spare laces, which is like crazy color laces, the same colors that you see here on the side of the swoosh. Not sure how these are going to look, but I will probably try out eventually. Might make the shoe look a bit too crazy. I think it looks pretty cool all white like this, but who knows, I might swap it in the end. On the big puffy tongue, which you get with all the SBs, it does say Parra here instead of Nike, and behind the tongue it has got Nike SB written on the back side here, which is very cool. And obviously another eye-catching feature is how the insole and the shoe collar here is done that super wild pattern, which is just super fire and adds loads of little touches to the shoe. As you see it, you're like, something better to it than just being a standard sort of white on the collar here. And inside on the inner sole it says Nike SB times Parra, very cool. Midsole of the shoe, all brilliant white, and the sole of the shoe itself, boom, all white as well, just says Nike on there, nothing extra to see. On this other pair, just going to check and see if there's anything different. Nope, all the same. The only thing different really was the back of the shoe here. So right, going to chuck these on feet, show you what they're like. Let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Parra times Nike SB Dunk on feet. Tell me what you think. I think they're fire. And I can tell you sizing wise, these definitely fit better than the Tiffany's. With the Tiffany, I actually got them down here so I can actually show you. With the Tiffany's, they fit comfortable. No issue going half a size up at all. It's just that at the front of the shoe, I can literally press it down and there's no toes in there at all. Like my big toe is kind of here, but there's a lot of space, whereas on this shoe it is like right where it needs to be and it's comfortable. So I would definitely recommend going true to size. I wear UK 10 in obviously these, in Jordan 1s, Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s. I wear the same in pretty much all Jordans, so take that as you will. I'm assuming these fit the same as all Nike SB Dunks should fit. And I got this here as well just to show you the other shoe, which is the Parra Air Max 1. It's got a little lace up that I did myself. But yeah, you can see the little hints that has been added. This sort of pattern inside here, you sort of get the same colorway, same kind of colorway at the back of the shoe here on this Air Max 1. He's obviously went way more subtle on this pair than how crazy went on this pair. I think if he did the exact same pattern again, the shoe would be hella fire, no doubt, but then it's like not so special. He already did the Spiridon with the same pattern, so why do it on both? But yeah, that's just a quick look at both of them, so you had to see them. But yeah, very happy to have this pair. Obviously super cheap as well, which is a good thing, under £100. I believe these were £92 in the end. I got these from Flat Spot. They've been so clutch for me lately. Like, I entered like every raffle going for this shoe, and to these, I think I got the W for these yesterday. So today was all the raffles I entered before. Got L's on every single one of them. So luckily I wasn't relying on any of those. Sneakers, all these other sites all failed me. Flatspot came through. Flatspot's also the same place where I got my LA to Chicago Jordan 1. So shout out to Flatspot. They're killing it right now for me. Anywho, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram, @sneakers. Dope pictures pretty much every day. And like, comment, subscribe, write, comment. I'll get back to ya. Anywho, I'm out. Later, y'all.